I bought the soldering helping hands and they're super handy for soldering, but the base on it was super unstable, so I had to make a new one out of wood, and it's hard to adjust and it's kind of flimsy. I think I can do better than that. But I've got this dial indicator holder that I use on my metal lathe, and it's really easy to adjust, and once it's locked down it's really steady. Now these cost a little bit, but I don't need the magnetic base and I don't need the dial indicator, so I ordered 2 of just the arm online and the price wasn't too bad. And these mount on an M5 thread, so I figure I'll just mount them onto this metal bar, and that'll also give me some weight. I just cut that off and clean it up. Now to mark where to drill the holes. These are scribing calipers with a carbide tip, great for metal, link in the description. The very hard pointy end of a drywall screw is great for putting that divot exactly in the right spot, but then I followed up with a regular center punch. I just detensioned the springs on my homemade machine a bit so that it naturally presses down a bit. And I'm starting to tap my holes on this machine to make sure it's in there nice and perpendicular. And I'm just going to finish these with a regular tap holder just so I have a better feel for it so I don't end up breaking the tap. Just got to chamfer that hole a little bit. Now I need a base for this thing to keep it from tipping over. And I'm just going to attach that base to this piece of steel with drywall screws. I drilled a hole slightly undersized, and these screws are super hard, so they bite into the metal just fine. And if you don't believe that'll hold, watch my video where I test how well they hold in steel. Now I need to attach some clips to the end of this, and I need something to go in here, and I realized the best starting point for that might be a nail to make it fit in there and jam it in here. And that finally fits now. And this one is just so much easier to adjust and set than the junky one.